Hola amigos, bienvenidos. By completing this lesson, you will be able to introduce yourself in both formal and informal situation using the verb say. First, we'll see the subject pronoun usted, then we'll conjugate the say with usted, and then we'll see the comparison of usted with tu. Introducing the subject pronoun usted. Usted means you in English, and tu means you in English. Then what's the difference between them? We use usted in formal situations and we use tu in informal situations. Before moving forward, let's review the verb ser. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es, usted es, nosotros somos, ellos son. Let's review it once again. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es, usted es, nosotros somos, ellos son. Here, did you notice that there is an addition of new subject pronoun which is usted? With usted, you'll use es. Remember that. Here, note that the meaning of usted and tu is same, which means you. But we use usted in formal situation whereas we use tu in informal situation. And also remember that with tu we use eres and with usted we use es. Let's see an example. Tu eres estudiante, which means you are student. Usted es estudiante, which means you are student. The meaning of both the sentences are same, but remember that with tu you'll use eres and with usted you'll use es. Now let's see where we use usted, which means you. We use usted with people we don't know, with people older than us, with superiors and authority figures, and in business situations. Let's see where we use tu, which also means you. We use tu with friends, with children, and with people we have a close relationship with. Now let's practice some questions. Here what you'll use, tu es shan or tu eres shan? So the answer is tu eres shan. Let's see the next example. Here what you'll use, usted es doctora or usted eres doctora? So the answer is usted es doctora. Let's see the next example. Here what you'll use, usted es profesor or usted eres profesor? So the answer is usted es profesor. Now let's see the next and the last example. What you will use here, tú es estudiante or tú eres estudiante? So the answer is tú eres estudiante. Now try to answer these questions. This is an exercise for you. Try to solve this and put your answer in comment section. I'll review your answer and tell you whether it is correct or not. And if you have any doubts, put your doubts also in the comment section. Now, these are the answers of lesson 4. I hope all of you got it correct. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Ciao amigos, hasta pronto.